Welcome to our short tutorial on Wise. I am using my laptop in opening the Wise page because the Wise app has limited features. So I suggest you use a browser to open and set up the necessary details in your Wise account. Let's start. This is the Wise login page. Type in your email address, the email address you used in signing up for Wise. Type in your password and hit login. For some reasons, I was not asked for a 6-digit code. Usually, Wise asks for a 6-digit code for verification. If it does, check your cell phone and type in the 6-digit code sent by Wise. After a few seconds, if you still did not receive your 6-digit code, click I didn't receive a code button. This is the Wise homepage. Now let's explore what's in here. There are two things that we are going to do. First, we are going to link or enroll our bank account or GCash to our Wise. How are we going to do that? On the left pane, choose Recipients. Next, add recipient. Now create a recipient by choosing Myself. Choose a currency, which is PHP or Philippine Peso. You have here two options, local bank account or e-wallet. Local bank account, for example, your Metro Bank account, your BDO account, your BPI account, etc. E-wallet, on the other hand, like GCash, PayMaya, etc. If you want to enroll your local bank account, choose Local Bank Account and fill in the necessary details. If you want to choose e-wallet, click e-wallet and choose GCash. Fill in the necessary details and click confirm. Say for example, you enrolled your local bank account and your GCash account. You have to choose which between these two accounts will be your primary account. Why do we need to choose? Because that's where the money will be sent to. In my case, I enrolled two accounts. The first is my local bank account, and the other one is my GCash account. I want to receive money through my GCash account. So I must turn on this GCash account as my primary account. So how are we going to do that? Click this, go to the bottom page. This must be turned on. As you can see, primary PHP account automatically direct PHP to this account when people find and send to you on Wise using your email address. If you link two bank accounts or more, make sure to check which one is set as the primary account linked to your Wise account. Now let's go back to the home page. For people to search you or find you on Wise, we need to turn on the email and or mobile phone number settings. Let's go to Settings. On the upper right corner, where your name is located, you should see a drop-down button. Click it and go to Settings. Contacts and Wise. Click the drop-down arrow. People in Wise can find you by email address and or phone number. These two must be turned on. If you do not turn these options on, people on Wise won't be able to find you. They won't be able to search for your email address or phone number. Therefore, they cannot send you money. Email settings. Perhaps you've been hitting send email verification a lot of times already. Don't worry, me too. I did that. But until now, it still says here, pending verification. Maybe we'll figure it out later. The most important thing is we have set up a Wise account, linked our bank accounts, and turned on the contacts on Wise. Let's go back to the homepage. Two important things to remember. Link your bank account or e-wallet, which is Gcash, to your Wise account. Make sure you choose one of them, either your bank account or your Gcash account, as the primary account linked to Wise. Number 2, turn on the contacts in Wise setting so that people can search you by your email address or phone number. Hence, they can send you money on Wise. Reminders. Remember that the money being sent to you will be directed to the primary account that you set up. If you set up Gcash as your primary account in Wise, then the money will be sent to your Gcash account directly. If you set up the bank account or the local bank account, such as Metrobank, BPI, etc., as your primary account linked to Wise, then the money sent to you will be directed to your local bank account.